How to get A or B band in TCS financial year 2026. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazi Tech Study. So in this video we are discussing how to definitely get A or B band in the upcoming financial year, which is 2025 and 2026. Before starting the video, hit a like, subscribe and share. So first one, attend scrum calls, which means daily status call or sprint planning, sprint retro. So like that calls regularly. And the next one, explain what you did clearly with the 2 to 5 minutes. So in the status call, you have to explain what you have did for the day in a crystal clear manner with the impactful thing, like I have developed this thing or I have tested this one and I have got this result, like that. Third point, deliver your assigned work within timeline. So if your lead or manager assigned you some task or your story, you need to deliver that thing in the assigned day, which means 3 points, 3 days, 3.4 points. So story points are there. So according to that story points, you need to deliver your work. So if the work is high and story points given is low, then you need to negotiate with your manager or lead. So like that, for this work I require this amount of time. So like that you can consult with your manager or team lead. So fourth one, if you don't have task or your story, ask your manager or lead. In some cases they forget to assign you some stories or tasks, but you should have to ask them before the day, start of the day. So by doing this you will get some positive impact as well, so you are cared about your project and your contribution. Fifth one, important one, upskill project 11 tech and domain skills. So your project is Java, Python, Spring Boot or Django framework, so according to that you need to upskill in your technological skills. And domain skills means your project domain, BFSI, retail, telecom, healthcare, like that. So you need to improve your domain skills as well in order to better contribute in your projects. Sixth one, do certification 1 or 2 as per the account. So some of the accounts ask you to complete the internal or external certification, so you need to do at least one per half year, like that you have to do. And the next one, T factor target 2.5. so this one is also some projects T factor improvement is also considered as per account target. So this is a C1 grade employee, 2.5 target is assigned in Fresco Play, so you need to improve your T factor. And the eighth one, important one, if you want to register Wings one, inform your manager. So if you inform your manager, if you lack somewhere, they won't assign you C band most of the cases, so you should have to discuss with them 1:1 on a month basis or at least 2 weeks per month, so that you don't miss your A or B band. And next one, if you are digital or innovator cadre, so then also if you have already achieved the digital or innovator cadre milestone, so you are getting Wings 1 incentive. Then also you need to negotiate with your manager, like I am a digital or innovator candidate, so I must get A or B band. So for this case also you need to consult your manager. And last and the important one, and 10th one, ask your manager for promotion to C2 grade. So if you are C1 grade and completed 3+ years, then you must ask your manager for C2 grade promotion. In the next promotion cycle they will nominate your name in the cycle. And the next one, after this you have some bonus points also. So how much hike you can expect if you get A or B band in TCS? So for A band, which is a 5-star rating, equivalent to 5-star rating, so 6.5 to 10%. So 6.5 is industry is worst and company doesn't make expected profit, then they will give you 6.5. And market condition is good and company is also performing well, then you will get 10%. So for B band 4-star rating, you will get 4.5 to 5% typically. So this is a historical data. Like this data only they will assign you the compensation hike. So now we have to discuss bonus tips, important one, in order to not miss the A or B band. So plan your leaves early. So in a quarter it should be less than equal to 5. So these are the do's and these are the don'ts. So don't take unplanned leave frequently. So 1 or 2 days in a month is fine, but don't take unnecessary unplanned leave heavily. Next point, inform or add your leaves in provided medium or channel. So what your project team is using for leaves updation. So most of the projects use a Excel sheet or emails. In the email table you need to enter your leaves. So don't take uninformed leaves. So you have taken for example on 26th you have taken the leave but you haven't informed your lead or manager, so they think this seems bad. So inform your leaves. Be enthusiastic towards your work and don't get bored on your work. So whatever you do from heartfully, and if you don't like the project, then after getting appraisal you ask your manager and leave that project. In team meetings, if you have some points to speak, must speak. So in sprint retro or sprint planning, you have some potential point. In order to raise that point, then must speak. Don't be invisible person. If you don't speak or don't do anything, then you are not invisible, and you will lose the good opportunities within the organization. So if you have any Elevate Wings One related any doubts or queries, you can book a session with me with 99 rupees. And if you want a Wings One related complete A to Z coaching for 1 month, you can choose this plan. For 3 months same, you have to select this one. If you require TCS Wings One materials, basic plus premier materials, you have to choose this one. For 6 months guidance, you have to choose this plan. Total 6 months, this price only. Career related doubts or clarification, book this one. Ask me anything, which is 60. This is a query, replies in 2 days. This is a chart based question, replies in 2 days. If you require this top 50 plus important questions, which is almost 60 important MCQs, you have to go to our channel and click on join and take the Wings One basic materials membership. Join, and after joining you will get that perks. And if you want to support our channel, click this one and join. If you require Wings One premium, both the basic and the non-basic one, you should have to select this plan. So finally, all the best for your future band, which is ARB band. I'm expecting you will get the ARB band. So this is all about how to get the ARB band. If you like our content, then must like, subscribe and share. We shall meet in a super latest video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.